really tell how bad it's snowing in this video. Got some scary moments?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Still keep getting really bad. I guess.
Mom, is that snow?
What, honey?
Is that snow?
Yeah, that's snow.
Can you video this?
Video what? The snow? This is the best the roads looked in about what? The last 60 miles?
Hey Mom, can you video it on mine too? Please?
Yeah, just 1 second.
Okay.